pretty simple to pull numbers, contact information for the borrower or their spouse or their family. And that's going to come in good on the due diligence side for when you're reaching out to them. All right. I always like to have a VA, a virtual assistant, take a look and pull up any information they can find in the bar, either phone numbers or like Spokio or whitepages.com. Or look at their social media. What do we find about this borrower? What are they saying? Do they have an active profile? Do they show us where they're working on LinkedIn, that kind of stuff? Okay. The borrower's filed bankruptcy. Go ahead and ask to speak to the trustee. Part of the thing is, can we speak to the trustee, or can I get the trustee attorney's notes? Okay. Make sure to always getting in that information from the seller is important. The servicing information is really valuable. Ask for that stuff. Look at it, see what they've been saying and what responding. Okay. Insurance, when it comes to make sure to review, it's the servicing company for property insurance, or make sure that they have proof of current insurance. If the borrower is not paying, ask to see the forced place insurance policy from the seller. If they don't have that, then you want to get your own policy for sure. And get a bid on the insurance before closing. Insurance can often kill a deal. Like I've seen people buy in Florida and not realize how expensive the insurance is there these days, or in Houston and other places where you've had a lot of issues with God, basically. And so insurance can ruin a deal in a lot of cases. Okay. It's killed some of my Florida stuff. I'm not paying this much extra for insurance. I need to fade my bid. Oh, we don't accept it. Well, then I'm not going to buy it. Okay. When you get a collateral file, and this is the loan file that we're talking about, this is actually what you're buying. Something that looks like this. Look at it, read it. You're not going to get the physical copy on the front end, but you get a scanned PDF copy. Well, they call it a soft copy. They'll send that via like Dropbox or Boxbee or some other service, where it's secured. Take the time to go through those and start looking for things. You want to make sure you have copies of the original note. Mortgage deed of trust can usually be found in county records if it's been recorded, which is a good thing. Okay. You want to look for all assignments of mortgages. So if the note's been sold 3 times, make sure there's 3 assignments, and look in the county to make sure that those assignments are recorded. If they're not recorded, then you're going to need to record them. If there's an assignment of mortgage missing in the collateral file, it's okay if it's recorded. It's not okay if it's not been recorded. Okay. So that's why you want to look at that stuff. Along with assignments, want to make sure you've got all allonges on there. Okay. Same thing, if there's not servicing notes in the collateral file, ask for them from the seller. Ask for an update from the attorney if it's in the foreclosure process, when they filed it, all the legal docs, look at that stuff. You're going to ask for payment history. That's important. Okay. You're going to ask for current payoff statements from the current servicing company, and then start looking for financials in the collateral file. They may have them, they may not.